Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a transparent text effect in CapCut PC. It's going to be using this video. I'm just going to select the text here, and I'm just going to extend the text till the end. Just going to type that. I'm going to also use a bold font for it, and I'm going to go to the library section, and I'm going to go to library, and I'm going to go to the background section here, add a black stock video, freeze frame it, and add it till the end. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Okay, you want, hold on, why is this so like up here? There we go. Right click, create compound clip. And then you're going to go to the video section, and you can use any of these blend modes. There's overlay, there is soft light, there is darken, or multiply is kind of the same actually. So yeah, that is it. I do like the soft light one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.